This next piece highlights some of the episodes that helped to launch the civil rights movement. Imagine for a moment living in a day where you could buy school supplies at the local Walmart or Target, but you couldn't sit at their lunch counter to buy or be served lunch. Think about the kind of day it would be when you would attend maybe a mass meeting to learn more about voter registration, and the sheriff's office and National Guard were waiting for you on the outside. Or when you went to vote, but you had to pass a literacy test where you had to know how many bubbles there were in a bar of soap. Insulting, unfair, uncivil, and offensive. But that was life in the 60s for many African Americans. And that is why we so badly needed a force, a movement that would move us through these social evils and gross inhumane acts of inequality. And for this, we embraced the civil rights movement. Our ministers were compelled to raise their voices, marchers took their positions, and demonstrators would not give in. A very difficult time on a very difficult journey. Nonetheless, this is our interpretation of how they did it.
The year 1965, the time segregation in the Southland, the struggle dismantling Jim Crow laws and validating basic civil rights for blacks, such as the right to vote. 3 major episodes were organized that launched the civil rights movement, and this is how we did it.
This is how we did it during those Jim Crow years. And no time for tears. Had to stand up, put our foot on our feet. So we visited the Woolworths, thought about so much. Sitting at the counter with our turn to order up. Made us mad and we hated. Serving all the whites, but the blacks discriminated. So we sat there until served or jailed. Then others came behind us, only to remind us all through the deep south there were laws that denied us. We had to make it clearer that our race deserved much more. So we grabbed a friend and committed to sit in the grandstand Woolworth store. We were tired of all the inequality.
This is how we did it.
Civil rights movement and the captives free.
This is how we did it.
To all my neighbors, we set the table.
This is how we did it.
We split the trim, brought the freedom riders in.
This is how we did it. This is how we did it. When riding the bus wasn't fun, we went straight to the back, put our bags in our lap. But segregated riding wasn't constitutional. 4 steps in with a plan to set us so. Journey of reconciliation. 8 blacks and 8 whites, wanted of us to show the world that, you know, I can sit anywhere on this bus I please. So the blacks sit front while the whites sit back. Whenever the bus was out, white back when we would try. I'm every distance with a rest of moments too. But we couldn't give in. Freedom riders rode against till Kennedy outlaws to us trend. We're tired of all the inequality. This is how we did it. The civil rights movement that captives free. This is how we did it. To all my neighbors, we set the table. This is how we did it. And we split the term about the freedom marching.
This is how we did it. We were tired of all the inequality.
This is how we did it.
The civil rights movement said the captives free.
This is how we did it.
To all my neighbors, we set the table.
This is how we did it.
We split the trim, brought the freedom riders in.
This is how we did it. Check it out. Once upon a time back in 65, blacks couldn't vote and that was no job. So once a bloody Sunday was all that we could get. Till Martin Luther King and his ministers met. They marched again to the Titans and prayed. Turned right around and prepared for the day. March 21st was the day that we crossed the Emmett Pettus Bridge on Highway 80 for sure. This is how we did it.
The civil rights movement said the captives free.
This is how we did it.
To all my neighbors, we set the table.
This is how we did it.
We split the trim, brought the freedom riders in.
This is how we did it.
Then President Johnson signed the Voting Rights Act.
With the vote, y'all, we with the vote.
And blacks went to vote as a matter of fact. 3,000 marchers made history.
This is how we did it.
From Selma, Alabama to Montgomery. Check it out. We did more than just boycott a bus, y'all.
This is how we did it.
Those freedom freedom riders made them recognize us.
And that was how we did it.